With this hotel trick, your toilet will shine for a long time. This trick saves me when I forget to buy the right cleaning products. You only need ingredients that you are sure to always have at home. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into a bowl. Salt acts as a natural cleaning agent that effectively removes deposits from various surfaces. Another ingredient is a tablespoon of washing powder. Any washing powder removes dirt and neutralizes bad odors. The last product is vinegar, which has antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic properties. Pour about 3 tablespoons and mix everything thoroughly. Pour 3/4 of the resulting mixture into the toilet bowl, then scrub the toilet thoroughly, brush from the inside. Apply the remaining mixture to the sponge, and clean all other parts of the toilet. In a few seconds, you have created a cleaner that is effective for use. With it, you have a clean, shiny, and fragrant toilet. No more mold on walls or musty smell. Start by grabbing 2 small bowls. Pour rice into each of them, making sure not to use instant or quick cooking rice, as these types are pre-cooked and can mold more easily. Rice naturally absorbs moisture. Next, you'll need cloves. Place a few cloves in each bowl of rice. Cloves have strong antifungal and antibacterial properties, helping to prevent mold and mildew growth. Now, take bay leaves. Add 4 or 5 leaves to each bowl. Bay leaves also possess antifungal and antibacterial qualities, plus their scent helps neutralize unwanted odors. Place these bowls on windowsills, shelves, or in the bathroom. By combining rice with cloves and bay leaves in a bowl, you're creating a natural solution to combat moisture and mold in your home. This setup not only improves air quality, but also brings a pleasant aroma to the space. Take a few limes to the bathroom. They have many properties you might not know about. Cut each lime in half. Lime peels offer plenty of useful qualities around the house. Squeeze the juice out of each lime, but you'll only need the peels for this trick. You can use the juice to make lemonade, for example. Then take a blender. Add all the lime peels and a little bit of water. Secure the lid and blend everything thoroughly. Lime peels help remove dirt and have antibacterial properties. Make sure the peels are finely ground. Add about 100 milliliters of water and mix well. Wait for about a minute. The mixture should be slightly liquid. Next, grab a strainer and a container to pour the mixture into. Strain everything carefully, squeezing out as much liquid as possible from the peels. Lime peels contain natural essential oils, which also give surfaces a fresh scent. Pour the mixture over the toilet and let it sit for a moment. Scrub thoroughly with a brush. You'll see how easily stains come off, leaving the toilet bowl spotless and fresh-smelling. Coat the faucet with a candle. You'll have something to celebrate. Don't throw away any more small birthday candles. Use them in the bathroom. Just 1 candle will come in handy when dealing with a faucet problem. Every faucet sooner or later shows signs of water. Every drop leaves a trace. These white streaks and lime scale appear even moments after cleaning the entire sink. They are particularly visible on metal components. The shower fixture quickly loses its shine. Instead of a gleaming shower head, you see one covered in white spots. It's water residue, but you can prevent this. All you need is 1 candle. It's best if it's light-colored. Rub the faucet with the candle and see what happens. The candle leaves a trail. That's the idea. Next time you clean the faucet, use the candle. Just rub the areas where watermarks appear the most with the candle a few times. Then take a cloth and start polishing the faucet. This will spread the wax. What does this achieve? A layer of wax will remain on the faucet, preventing water residue from building up. The water will run off without leaving any traces. Every faucet will stay clean longer. You won't have to clean it as often. You'll save yourself time and nerves. And a clean faucet will be your calling card. Mold and the grout in your shower will disappear in minutes. If you've got mold in your bathroom, you can quickly and effectively remove it with this simple home remedy that always works. You only need 2 ingredients to prepare this solution. First, get a spray bottle. A spray bottle is perfect for this trick. Place a funnel in the bottle's opening to make pouring easier. Add 2 teaspoons of dish soap to the bottle. Then pour in a cup of vinegar. Vinegar effectively kills bacteria and mold. Mix the solution thoroughly. This mixture removes dirt, unpleasant odors, and mold. Now just spray the mixture on the bathroom wall tiles, shower doors, and moldy grout, which is often found around the shower. Wipe it down with a cloth and dry thoroughly. You'll quickly notice how the surfaces become clean and shiny. In no time, they will look like new. Take some Coca-Cola and toothpaste. Watch what I'll do with them. Grab a roll of paper towels and start tearing off pieces. Fold those pieces and place them on the surface of the toilet bowl. Line the entire inside, ensuring the towels stick to the bowl and don't fall into the water. Now take the Coca-Cola. Open it, but don't drink it. Pour the Coca-Cola over the paper towels inside the bowl. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Once the time is up, come back and remove the dirty paper. Now scrub the bowl with a toilet brush. Coca-Cola contains phosphoric and carbonic acids, which help dissolve limescale, rust, and other grime. For an extra shine and freshness, squeeze some toothpaste directly onto the bowl and scrub again. The toothpaste not only brightens the surface, but also leaves a pleasant scent. Enjoy a sparkling clean and fresh-smelling toilet with this simple method. With this cleaning method, limescale won't build up on your faucet for up to 3 weeks. Using a dishwasher rinse aid, you can easily remove accumulated limescale and residue. Limescale and buildup on faucets and shower heads are common issues, especially in areas with hard water. Hard water contains high concentrations of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, which leave stubborn stains and streaks on surfaces. Regular cleaning and proper care are key to tackling this problem. The solution? Dishwasher Rinse Aid. Applying this product to faucets and shower heads is a quick and effective way to remove buildup and achieve gleaming surfaces. Its acidic formula breaks down tough stains, while its protective properties help prevent dirt and limescale from forming again. To use, simply apply a small amount of rinse aid to a cloth or sponge and gently polish the surface. The rinse aid not only removes limescale and residue, but also leaves a protective coating that keeps surfaces cleaner for longer. With this method, your faucet and shower head will shine like new. Enjoy long-lasting cleanliness and a polished look in your bathroom. I do this once a week to get rid of mold. Place sponges, scrubbers, and brushes that are in the sink into a bowl. Then, generously sprinkle them with salt. Salt has cleansing and disinfecting properties. Pour boiling water over the entire contents and leave it for a few minutes. The salt in boiling water will remove bacteria, fungi, and mold from their surfaces. Once soaked, these items will be hygienic and safe for health. The unpleasant odor will also disappear.